Imagine a world without ice. No majestic glaciers, no snow-capped mountains, no icy polar landscapes. It might seem like a scene from a science fiction movie, but this is the reality we could face if we don't address the issue of global warming. We often take ice for granted, but it plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate and sustaining life. The melting of ice has already begun to impact our world, and the consequences will be even more severe if we don't take immediate action. This essay will explore the causes and consequences of melting ice, shedding light on why this issue demands our urgent attention. It's time to confront the reality of a world losing its ice and understand what we can do to prevent further damage. Ice is melting at an alarming rate, and the primary culprit is human activity. Our reliance on fossil fuels for energy releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm. This phenomenon, known as global warming, is like turning up the thermostat on Earth, and the ice caps and glaciers are the first to feel the heat. As temperatures rise, glaciers shrink and ice sheets melt at an accelerated pace. This melting not only contributes to rising sea levels, but also disrupts weather patterns, leading to more extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and floods. The melting of ice has profound consequences for our planet, and one of the most significant is sea level rise. As glaciers and ice sheets melt, they release massive amounts of water into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise steadily. This rise in sea level poses a direct threat to coastal communities worldwide. Cities located near coastlines are at risk of being submerged, displacing millions of people and causing billions of dollars in damage. Furthermore, rising sea levels can contaminate freshwater sources with salt water, impacting agriculture and drinking water supplies. This combination of factors can lead to economic instability, food shortages, and mass displacement, creating a humanitarian crisis of unprecedented proportions. The melting of ice is a clear and present danger, but it's not too late to act. We must transition away from fossil fuels and embrace renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. Reducing our carbon footprint is essential to slowing down global warming and mitigating the effects of climate change. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in this global effort. We need stricter environmental regulations, investment in green technologies, and a collective commitment to sustainable practices. Future generations depend on the choices we make today. It's time to come together and protect our planet from the devastating consequences of melting ice. By taking action now, we can preserve the beauty and balance of our natural world for generations to come.